I come from a very normal, lower middle class family. I saw a lot of failure. My father was a beautiful man and the most successful failure in the world. My mother also failed to stay long enough with me to see me become a big movie star. At an early age after my parents died, I equated poverty with failure. And I somehow developed this sense of detachment, the sense of false bravado, which I show in public to cover up this sadness affecting my life. So a part of me keeps on working round the clock, keeps on being happy in spite of things which are said about me, or make a joke about things that I do, but still keep doing them, because if I did not do it, I think I would be in the same state of potassium deficiency and depression. So to avoid depression, I act. It's much larger than to earn money or be a big star or do endorsements or dance at weddings, which I joke about. And this is the God's honest truth. I think this is the most honest I've ever been in my life to anyone. There are times when I still feel lonely. There are days when I feel very sad at my failures. The sea in front of my bungalow makes me feel just as little as it did 10 years ago. I cannot answer a question which is asked to me in every interview. What is the real Shah Rukh Khan like? I don't know. Maybe there is no real me left anymore. Maybe there is no real emotion left, which I haven't done in front of the camera already. Maybe I'm just an act now. Only those who love illusion and know it will go far. Otherwise, we spend our lives in a confusion of what we say and do with who we really are. And the only way I keep it sane is by clinging to the only person I know the best, myself, all alone. But to be alone amidst millions of admirers is no tragedy at all. It is beautiful. I spread out my hands, close my eyes. I can hear the storm fans loud and clear. I see my son's face. He thinks I'm a hero. He knows I have wings. I know too, God is kind and with me. I also know I can fly. I let go, I'm flying, and so is the rest of the world with me. Choreographing my song, Saroj Khan. I came and I said, "Oof, kitna kaam zyada ho gaya, Saroj ji." And she told me a very simple truth, very lovingly patted me on the head and said, "Never say that. You should always be working. Because if you are a worker and if you like work, you should never complain about too much work. Because it's really worse when you don't have that. And cherish it right now." I like to work. I have the opportunity. God's been kind. I've been able to do that. It's a lot of hard work. It's 18 hours a day. So I just keep working. In between, a lot of things have got attached. Some which I love doing, some which I've done because I had to, some which are just happening on their own organically. But to be alone amidst millions of admirers is no tragedy at all. It is beautiful. 99% of the things that I use so shamelessly in films is an experience which is very close to my heart. If you get up in the morning and if you think only good thoughts, किसी के लिए बुरा मत सोचो, सिर्फ अपना अच्छा सोचो. मैं बड़ा सेल्फिश आदमी हूँ और मैं बिलीव करता हूँ कि अगर दूसरों का सोचने का मौका ना मिले, अपने लिए भी सिर्फ अच्छी बात सोचो. ये मत सोचो कि दूसरा हार जाए, ये सोचो कि मैं कैसे जीतूं. It's only a way that you can turn around the same thought. विश्व में किसी भी चीज के भौतिक निर्माण के लिए से पहले उसका विचारों में निर्माण होता है, which is true. I believe all things created in this world are created by our own thoughts. जो विचार होश और जोश में किए जाते हैं वे ही हकीकत को बदलते हैं. दुनिया वैसी नहीं है जैसा आप सोचते हो, दुनिया वैसी है जैसे आप हो. सो जो भी आपको कभी कभार दिल में आता है कि ये इंसान में से अच्छाई नहीं कर रहा है, ये घटिया है, ये बुरा है, ये जो सिचुएशन है अच्छी नहीं है, एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट अगर आप अपना नजरिया बदल के रात को सोने से पहले उसी आदमी के बारे में उसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें, उसी सिचुएशन को एकदम नेगेटिविटी के बिना देखें, तो आपको मालूम पड़ेगा कि सिचुएशन इतनी बुरी नहीं है. आपके अराउंड जो लोग हैं, दोस्त हैं या दुश्मन जिन्हें आप समझते हैं, वो एक्चुअली दुश्मन नहीं है. सो इट इज द वे यू थिंक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, दैट इज हाउ द वर्ल्ड विल लुक टू यू, इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ दिस बुक. एंड टू मी द ग्रेटेस्ट मोमेंट इन माई लाइफ एंड द ग्रेटेस्ट डिजायर इन माई लाइफ बिकेम कि मैं लोगों को मुस्कुराने की रीजन दे सकूं, उनको मुस्कुराने का रीजन दे सकूं। तो जब मैं मुंबई आया, जैसे जवान लोगों के थॉट्स होते हैं कि मैं बहुत पैसे कमाऊंगा, बहुत नाम कमाऊंगा, बड़ा घर करूंगा, मेरे दिमाग में दो मेन चीजें इन सब मटेरियल चीजों के पीछे थी। आज मेरे पास अल्लाह के फजल करम से सब है, लेकिन इन चीजों के पीछे, ये गाड़ी मांगने के पीछे, घर मांगने के पीछे, और मुझे लगता नहीं ये बुरा है। आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू शुड इमेजिन ऑल द गुड मटेरियल थिंग्स दैट यू वांट। My reasons were very, very clear कि I will do this to bring smiles to people's faces, and that's the God's honest truth. Today sometimes I don't need any of it, but I keep working day and night 20 hours a day. मेरे बेटे का जन्मदिन था परसों, और उसने कहा आप मेरे साथ नहीं हो।
Got tired, want to ready for the next day.